Alright, I'm just going to reply to some text comments in video. I'll try to put the link, but it's in the comments to Superior Nature, which this is a reply to. Uh, Fuck ideology. It's funny because the name doesn't really read that way, but that's what it is. Fuck ideology says, would you describe, or asks, would you describe an idea as being physical? Yes. If a man was not to exist, would human ideas exist elsewhere? No. Are they human ideas? Yes. So we get confused, right, though, because we think ideas are abstractions. So let's say the idea of cause and effect. Now, I say the idea of cause and effect is in our brain. It's physical. It's physically represented in our brain. But we also want to know, but is it out there? Is it materially out there? Isn't it just an abstraction? It's only in, it's not in our brain. It's not out there. No, there's a part that's out there too. Okay, a pattern that we call the law of cause and effect. It's a pattern, and yes, there is a physical pattern. We derived it from uh, data processing, data mining all of our perceptions. Okay, and so yeah, and it seems different, like it's a different issue than naming a cup, but it's the same thing. I mean, it's the same question. Is the idea of a cup physical? Yeah, it's physical in your brain. Is there a physical cup outside you or in this other cup? Well, yeah, it comes from your perceptions. Does it mean that it's in this external world? Well, no. I mean, the whole word physical has to change from being some metaphysical idea of physical that you're asserting to, well, whatever it is, whatever it is that makes these patterns. So the point is, it's no different. Trying to say that there's a physical cup, no different from trying to say there's a physical pattern of some sort, that we would call an abstraction. We get very confused about abstractions, but really, it's like you take a bunch of objects, you count them, the number's an abstraction. You take a bunch of numbers, you do weird things with the numbers, you got another level of abstraction. You take all of these mathematics and compare them and do something meta to that, and another abstraction. But it always goes back to the perceptions and amounts to data mining those perceptions. So yes.